Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center. In this video, I will let you know the best alternative of VMware Workstation, and let me open the Chrome browser, and the best alternative of VMware Workstation is basically a VirtualBox. So this is the VirtualBox, and you can just type the downloads here onto the Chrome browser. So VirtualBox is available, and just you have to just click on that, and it will be downloaded instantly. And it is the best alternative of VMware Workstation if you want to deploy a VM machine. So once it is downloaded, then you have to double click on it, and installation will be started instantly. Let me put the password. So you can see that now we have to accept the license agreement, and it is pretty much simple and very simple to install. Just we have to click and next, and that's it, and installation will be started instantly. So you can see that it is being installed in front of you, and it will be installed instantly. It will not take a lot of time. So it is pretty much lightweight, and now you can click onto the run and finish. We will also create one virtual machine in front of you, so the interface is pretty much simple and easy to operate. Every option is available in front of you. You can open or import any machine. You can create a new machine as well. So we have a lot of options here. So let me download one ISO because we are going to we are also going to install Linux Ubuntu 24.04, which is the stable and latest version in front of you. So we have successfully installed the best alternative of VMware Workstation, and VirtualBox is the pretty much lightweight and easy to operate. So let me download the ISO. Once it is done, I will be back. So ISO has been downloaded, and let me click the new machine. Then we have to give the name like VPN. And then we will select ISO image later on, and we have to select the type. It is formality. You can select any other type, let's say other Windows 64-bit. It's not a big deal. So click next, and then we have to give the CPU cores. So here I am giving the 4 cores here, and I'm giving the RAM like in Mbps. So we are giving the RAM 4 GB of RAM, and then we have to give the disk space. So here I'm giving the 60 GB of space. That is pretty much good for the Linux ISO. Then we have to click next, and you can click next, and then we have to click onto the finish. So once we finish, then we have to click onto the settings, which is very important, and then we have to select onto the network settings. And once you set the network settings, so here we have net adapter, means this machine, after the creation of this machine, it will be isolated from the physical environment. So we have to interact with the physical environment. We don't want to isolate it. So in that case, if you want to assign a physical IP to your virtual machine, in that case you have to select the bridge adapter. And once you select the bridge adapter, you have to select allow all, and then okay. So we have successfully created the virtual machine. Now we have to attach the ISO. Let me check out my ISO if it is downloaded. So I have downloaded my ISO. So it has been downloaded. So now we can start the machine, and once we start the machine, then we have to attach the ISO. So let's start the machine, and you can see that it is being started in front of you. And so now we have to select the ISO. So mount the ISO and retry it. So other options, we have to select the ISO. Here we have in the download Ubuntu, and we have selected the ISO medium, and then we hit the enter. So now we have the setup of Linux server, and once you reboot it, then you will have this environment of installation of Linux. So it is pretty much simple and pretty much lightweight VirtualBox, and the installation is being proceed in front of you. So we have attached the bridge adapter. So this video is basically not regarding the installation of Linux. Basically, this video is basically regarding the VirtualBox. So you can see that how we are installing the VirtualBox in front of you, and you can see that physical IP we have obtained 1038. It's a physical IP of my network. And if you select your net adapter, then you would have net IP, means that IP will be isolated from the physical system. So in our case, we have attached the bridge adapter, and you can see that we have the physical IP. So this video is all about the VirtualBox, and you can see that how we can generate the VM, how we can create the VM, and how we can install the VirtualBox. So you can easily install the VirtualBox onto the Windows environment, and you can create number of VMs without any limitation on your system, and you can even create a test VM if you want to install any new build. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.